In this video, let's talk about how to use Bank of America check deposit hold. Now, in order to do this, you need to first of all track the standard processing timeline and then identify the exact reason why bank flagged your transaction. Firstly, you need to understand the baseline release timeline. So if you have deposited your check before the daily cutoff time on a business day, funds generally are available on the next business day only. If the system flags the deposit for a hold, the money is locked for normally 2 to 7 business days. So first of all, understand your situation. Secondly, you need to identify the triggering cause. You can try to check your email if any email has been received on the email address that is linked with your account. Also, you could try to check the online banking alerts for any sort of formal holds. Lastly, if none of these solutions are working out for you, you could either handle or bypass the current hold. You could either check the partial balance within the application or request the payer verification. If none of these solutions are still working out for you, the last thing that you need to do in this case is just contact the branch manager. You need to bring your transaction receipt, any payer confirmation details, and your ID into the physical branch of Bank of America. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.